let them know how much we appreciated their work today. Once again, Captain Patrick Beard at the controls, as well as Major Yuri and Rusty Subak. British Columbia. From 442 Squadron, who will most likely deploy for you and for your assistance the CH-149 Cormorant helicopter. This is one of Canada's newest helicopters in the Royal Canadian Air Force fleet. And we're going to get a little taste of what 442 Squadron does on our behalf day in and day out. Like I said, they stay on constant standby even as they're at this air show today. If someone is in trouble, they're on the call and they're up to help us. You can see the great big cargo door on the side of the helicopter has been opened up, and in just a moment or two you're going to see our Sartex exit the aircraft via a hoist. The job of our pilot and co-pilot is to make sure that that helicopter stays you can see that she's pulled back the power just a little bit as that smoke trail gets a little bit larger in behind the aircraft. All right, again, right down on the deck. Nice and slow. Side slipping into the wind. You're looking at the top side of the airplane, fighting some of those thermals off the ground. Will she get it? Yes. There you have it, folks. The triple ribbon cut by Melissa Burns in the Edge 540. Another series of victory rolls there at the eastern end of the field. And we got to give a big round of applause to our pole holders. They're very brave souls out there, folks, as Melissa comes in from our left. Pulling back on the stick, up she goes. Wing waggling upside down, now back to knife edge, continuing to spin the airplane around its axis. But watch closely, she's combined 3 maneuvers in one. Now into the knife edge spin and descending down towards the ground. There's the recovery, showing us the incredible roll rate of the Edge 540. Now watch closely as she goes to the western end of the field. Straight up into the sky, she goes right into that beautiful Abbotsford sun. Step rolling the airplane on the incline. I've almost lost sight of her. She's holding it there. Over the top she goes. She's going now into a flat upright spin. Slowly descending towards the ground as she spins the airplane around. Unwinding the aircraft as she dives down for airspeed. Roy, tell us a little bit more about this incredible pilot.
Melissa, the youngest female member of the United States Unlimited Aerobatics in history. Placed third overall in the 2015 World Aerobatic Championships after 10 years of competing at the Unlimited World level. Was named the fastest woman in the world at the World Championship wingsuit base jumping race in Norway in 2015 and has participated in the skydiving world record.
Straight up into the sky, experiencing 5-6 positive G's on that climb up. Point rolling the aircraft as she continues to go vertical. Look at the incredible performance of the Edge 540. Once again, kicking in hard left rudder in a beautiful hammerhead turnaround. Now snap rolling the airplane on that down line. She's going to unwind the aircraft. The ground is coming up awfully fast as she just above the ground. She levels off. She doesn't stay straight level very long. She goes up on that 60-degree upline, rolling the airplane as she goes. Upside down, holding it, holding it, holding it, and now she pulls it over the top. She's going to reverse directions. She's going to use gravity now to pick up some important airspeed so that she can perform her next maneuver. Goes upside down for just a second, rolls back upright. Down the shoulder she goes. There's like this. 90-degree turn away from the crowd. Pulling back on the stick as she goes skyward again. Melissa Burns in the Edge 540. She's looking over her shoulder to make sure the wing is perpendicular to the horizon. Pulls back the power and performs the tail slide. You cannot do that in a 172, I tell ya. 3/4 of a roll, lines herself up again with the show line, and as she heads off to the east, Roy, tell us about this incredible airplane.
It is a Zipco Edge 540, manufactured by Zipco and roll rate and 3,700 foot per minute climb rate. Won the victory on the International Unlimited Aerobatic Circuit several times in the mid-90s.
There's Melissa again, waving to us up there on the slider maneuver, tap dancing again on the rudder pedals as she goes back and forth along that line. She's going to come down with a big smile on her face. That was an outstanding performance. Looks like she doesn't want suspended there. Melissa doesn't do it the simple way. She's going to pass by those poles 3 more times. The first time is going to be underneath the ribbons. The second time is she's going to fly inverted to snap that top ribbon, and then she's going to come around and slice that final ribbon in the knife edge. All right, she's getting turned to this, tap dancing on the rudder pedals as she dances along the shoreline with the Edge of 540. This is a mid-wing aerobatic aircraft. It's a single-seater. She actually flies this airplane across the country, and when she's not flying air shows, she is flying for Alaska Airlines. As a matter of fact, she mechanics and other technicians in the aviation industry. Again, Melissa just off to our left side, slipping out just a little bit, and she's going to... the F-35 taxiing out. It's about a 5 or 6 minute taxi all the way to the end of the runway here, so we're pre-positioning our F-35 to get ready for their performance.
It's okay, it's air conditioned.
Good for heading by at what's left of runway 19.
Which is not air conditioned, I'm guaranteed.
Well, there is a fan blowing out front, so maybe she's keeping cool by keeping the canopy open and getting a little bit of that prop wash into the cockpit.
I'd like to thank the province of British Columbia, the Abbotsford International Airport YXX, Shell Aviation, Headwing Solutions, Prospera Credit Union.
Why are you confused, Roy?
Like the tail of the front, the wings are back, upside down, and
Well, it's literally flying through the sky backwards, I think.
Oh, by the way, yeah, wearing that's $400,000 helmet. It's a data gathering spaceship. And you need to be a video game addict to understand all that stuff. And the plane is talking to you, it's talking to all the other aircraft. It's talking to fighters, it's talking to AWACS, or what would be the replacement for that, those P-8 Poseidons that Canada hopefully is going to buy. It's going to talk to ships over the sea and people on the ground. Everybody out there that ever thought they wanted to be a fighter pilot,